So imagine in college, I don't know whether you realize, but you are measured by how you master your instruments. Of course, you do have teamwork because you have group works that you need to do. But at the end of the day, you're measured individually. But in a workplace, you are playing in an orchestra. You are musicians that are brought together to play a symphony. Now, of course, each individuals have their own important role, playing their own musical instrument. But imagine if one player gone haywire, it will affect the whole harmony. And the music played in the symphony will not be as good as what you imagine to be. Now, you will have to work collaboratively with others that are also be able to bring different skills and talents to the table. So you need also to establish good working relationship with people that you think that would think and act in ways that you would not. So basically people that's coming from different background that will enrich your experience at work. So I'm sure I've asked you this question, right? So and you might be wondering, what about technical skills and knowledge? Isn't it important? You know, man, I'm super smart. You know, I know all the accounting standards. I know all the whole book. You know, I'm basically like a walking dictionary, man. But please don't get me wrong. So that is also very important. But often when I talk to my managers or having to look at one's internship evaluation or probably probation evaluation form, you know, what we do is basically we base our assessment using a behavior-based analysis because all of us agree that technical knowledge is easier to build than a character. So that's why it's very important for you to build on the character first.